everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on what is going on in the NQ after some earnings action this week. So we do still have that original setup from February 1st, 12,698 to 745. We have bounced, gone through resistance and the 618 and 786, and now are looking towards those targets at 13,837 and 14,138. But what happened, right? Well, I'll show you what happened. We met the extension on the 120-minute chart of this swing inside of the swing at 13,575. And what do we know with Fibonacci work? Many moves tend to terminate at extensions. So we did get this big pullback today. And then, of course, I had the setup here on the 30-minute chart for you. We did hit it, bounce, and then let's see, I can't remember what it was we failed off of the day. It was not, we were not quite to the 618, and we failed. And now we are bouncing again with an exact hit of that zone, 13,380 to 87. And if that low is in place, your target's going to be 13,638 and 13,706. But I do want you to be aware, you do have resistance on the way up, coming in at 13,485 to 93. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.